Do you sometimes feel like you really want something but you don't know what this something is? Well, this something is probably gin tonic. At least that's what I felt like I wanted tonight. Okay, let's get into this video. I will show you how to make this cocktail. Almost every piece of content I've posted so far on my channel is something, the student version. And this is no exception, so let's get into it. Your drink needs to be refreshing, so you need ice. Like just a half of the glass will do. This step is optional. You already have a nice gin tonic drink, but this is for some extra flavor that adds up. It can be whatever, it can be cola, juice, anything. And you want to mix it well. You can also use a straw, but I don't have one, so I'll just have to drink it like this. Ding.
You can also snack. This is probably not the best snack with gin tonic. There's like Cheetos looking things, but like fake Cheetos for 50 cents.